You may not realize that Meta's earnings on April the 30th come at a seasonally favorable moment for the stock, just as it tests a key technical level on the weekly chart, the 200 exponential moving average. Now, if you look at Meta's earnings, they're coming up on the 30th of April. If you look at this seasonal pattern from the last 12 years between April the 24th and May the 4th, what you can see, the average return in this window is a very strong 5.41%, and it's got a winning percentage of over 83%. So this seasonality reflects a post earnings drift higher that sort of moves into the summer months. So will this be repeated this year despite the negative sentiment in markets around US tech stocks? Now, Meta's recent weakness stems from macro headwinds hitting tech broadly, as well as expectations that a slowing US economy, as flagged by the IMF last week, could weigh on Facebook's ad spend, Meta's ad spend. However, Meta has two catalysts in its favor: ongoing investments in AI and monetization, improvements for platforms like Reels and WhatsApp Business, and there's strong seasonal tailwinds into the summer. Now, with stops likely clustered just underneath this 450 region, beneath the 200 exponential moving average, a post earnings disappointment could trigger downside, but a beat on revenue or user growth could easily see price reclaim the 50 exponential moving average, which is currently around 570. Now, you can sign up here at SeasonX. We can get literally thousands more seasonal insights just waiting to be revealed. And you can see, the maximum drop, the maximum gains, in which years they came, the maximum rise. Very helpful information as you look at the data. Remember, don't just trade it, season exit. Trade risks, all outlooks have risks, and of course this is no exception. The seasonal pattern is strong, but the moves in Meta will very much depend on the specifics of the earnings print. Guidance, ad trends, and AI monetization plans will drive volatility. Investors should be aware of event risk. Surprises could quickly invalidate this seasonal play. Don't just trade it, but season exit.